I'm here having some rice, cake, rolled calamari, and some chips. And you know it's South Africa because even the chips are seasoned with some chili. Look at that. Everything all in one. Really light, but quite tasty. And got this very soft. You can see how fresh the cake is, but it's just falling off. You just need it. Second grilled calamari. I'm gonna take some garlic and some tartar sauce. Yeah, the chili is over there. Really sort of good combination with the rice, french fries, cake and calamari. Just really blends together quite well. Makes the fish dish like a light fish dish, just more complete with the rice and chips. Let's give it again that very close. Really entertaining flavors. Alright then. The most important thing about this dish is got the flavor that actually fills you. Because fish in general sometimes does not fill you on its own. So share something like this. It makes everything much more worth it. Wow, very soft. Chips on that. On that. So the lights have gone off. Now the generators are kicking in. There we are. Now we got electricity again.